Alright, data item description. Plan maintenance system reliability center maintenance document control sheet DI maintaining 80990. Plan maintenance system reliability center maintenance documentation control sheet. Provided index all forms completed during preventive maintenance system documentation development procedures. May 17th, 1990. Operation primary responsibility NCE LTD. DTIC and GitHub not applicable. Application relationship. Data description contained with the format, content, preparation, script for the preventive maintenance, plan maintenance system, reliability center, maintenance documentation control sheet with the result of the work task described in the 3A with the MLP 2453 form Navy. Data instruction related with the data item maintenance 80944 plan maintenance system functional block diagram and data item maintenance 80979 plan maintenance system. AMSC number N4944 format all index all forms complete with a plan maintenance system documentation developed proceed with the documented using contractor format. Content sheet shall contain the following: development group and a development group with the name of the shipping class of the class and ship the hull with the number of which the developer is paid. The developer into the developing organization name, contractor name into the contractor under which the name of the conductor, if applicable, revision enter original or ABC for the subsequent revision of the development. Distribution statement approved for the public release. Distribution is unlimited. Alright, and then it goes over the maintenance master system subsystem index for the MT 980 through the MT 93, which we preparation instructions. Date enter the date entire development was to complete with a revised phase 1 enter 114 last 3 segments of the master system subsystem index serial number. Phase 2 enter 116 last 3 segments of the functional failure analysis serial number. Phase 3 enter 117 last 3 segments of the functional significant item selection serial number. If the left column adjacent with a federal functional significant, the FFA serial number system subsystems containing the federal functional significant item candidate. If the functional significant item candidate was not selected as the final functional significant item and not listed as the funds on the functional system item index, enter the functional system item below or to the right of the functional system item selection serial number. Enter 118 for the last 3 segments of the functional serial index serial number prepared with each subdivision with the right with a column above below the horizontal line between the FFA and the or functional failure analysis and the functional significant item selection serial numbers. Phase 4 enter 119 last 3 segments of failure modes effective analysis serial number adjacent to the associated functional functional significant item selection serial number, but the items draw connection lines between the functional significant item selection and the failure modes effective analysis serial numbers. If none of the functional failures of the item were selected for the future analysis, another enter terminated below or the right of the failure mode effective analysis serial number of the item. Phase 5. Enter 120 of the last 3 segments of the logic tree and alpha the serial number left of the column aligned with the associated of the failure modes effective analysis serial numbers of the numbers of each item. Draw a connecting line with the associated with the federal failure material failure modes and effective analysis serial number. If the logic tree and analyzed does not determine the requirement of any of the tasks related with the item, enter the no task below the right hand of the logic tree analysis serial number. If safety related design change recommendations were submitted, enter 122 last 3 segment serial number of the such recommendation in the right column adjacent button to but not same line as the logic tree and analyst for the serial number. Phase 6 entered 121 the last 3 segments of the surface lubricating analysis serial number. The horizontal line with the functional significant item serial number associated system subsystem. No surfacing lubricating task were required. Enter no task below or right at surface lubricating analysis for the serial number. Phase 7. Enter 122 the last 3 segments of the maintenance requirement index serial number horizontal line with the NT in the phase 1 column of the subsystem system. Alright, phase 9 enter 124 for the last 3 segments of the task definition serial number adjacent over the reliable centered maintenance logic tree analysis serial number the line with the surfacing lubricating analysis serial number to determine the task for the required drawing connection lines corresponding serial number is done over the MRC was prepared with the task definition. No MRC below or to the right with the task definition serial number. Page 12. Enter the left column of the system command MRC control number. Each MRC prepared during the phase with a line with the associated task description, definition, serial number, draw connection lines. Enter the MIP number of each of the group of the MRCs in the right column. Draw connecting lines between MIP numbers and associated system command control number, MRC system control numbers. And that was Planned Maintenance System Reliability Center Maintenance Documentation Control Sheet.